What is that, Matthew?
Broccoli.
Broccoli? You like broccoli? So blow on it. You're gonna take a bite? Yes, bite.
Oh no, Mom, waiting.
It's a broccoli stem. How about you eat a broccoli tree?
A shoe.
It's a shoe.
It's a shoe.
How about you eat a broccoli tree?
A shoe.
Broccoli treetop.
Broccoli treetop. No.
Mmm. Broccoli treetop yummy? Yummy?
That's a cup. It's food. It's food. And it's food.
It's a shoe?